So, Siddharth, is your heart broken?
Sir, I can't tell you in words how precious Grandpa is to me. Why is he still acting like this? Who knows? I initially thought that Grandpa was playing a game with me. But today,
If Siddheshwar does renounce the world, we won't be able to get him back.
sir, is that done? How can we accept that Grandpa won't return home? I don't understand how Grandpa got this weird idea. I just said once Grandpa returns, I'm ready to accept this marriage. Still, it's difficult for him. You know, he was calling me some name called something Orba.
Idiot!
Exactly, sir. Orbachian. I'm still determining what Grandpa wants.
Well, Siddharth, till date you have worried about what Grandpa wants. But you tell me, have you ever wondered what you want? This concept of marriage, why don't you believe in that?
So, marriage is a very suffocating situation. I feel quite claustrophobic. I've seen my mom with my own eyes. She lost her life. Mom used to believe in this concept of marriage. She used to fulfill her duties, but she slowly hollowed up inside. I can't get trapped in that trap knowingly. But if Grandpa agrees to return home once, I'm ready to do that for him.
That means you have a fear of marriage.
Probably, sir. Probably, yes. Actually, sir, I'm scared about myself. You know, others may be confident about marriage.
You should be able to overcome fears, Siddharth. Even getting over fears is a battle. And when that battle is with your own self, then you cannot be defeated. If this fight is with your people, even losing is not an issue, Siddharth. Siddharth, you think about it. Oh, yes. I wanted to speak to you. In this hermitage, I will build an eco-friendly building. I wanted to consult you about that. I should go there. Let me see what's happening there. Even getting over your fears is a battle. And when that battle is with yourself, you cannot be defeated. If this fight is with your people, even losing is not an issue, Siddharth. Hail the Lord! Hail the Lord! Siddheshwar, before shaving your head, meet everyone of your family. You can't return to your family after this.
Gurudev, I don't want to meet anyone else. Come on, shave it off.
Grandfather, Grandma is coming over.
Everyone will protest in front of you. Grandpa, what are you doing shaving head and all?
You are now crossing all the limits, Grandpa.
Yeah, we are getting quite defamed due to you.
Correct. No one can bear our commotion anymore.
Grandpa, you are no longer allowed to do this.
Hey, Grandpa, please say something. I don't like this anymore, you know. Sid has gone to get Grandma.
Come on, shave it off.
Grandma, here, look at your husband. This is the person you got married to. Didn't he promise you something about 7 lifetimes during the wedding ceremony? This is how he's keeping his vows.
Gurudev, when I have decided to devote myself to the service of Krishna, where are all these objections coming from? And these family persons, why are they constantly injecting in my decision? Yes, sir. If my responsibilities are in question, I am bound to say that I have never shied away from any responsibilities. Now I have aged, it's the time for my retirement from the family life. If someone wanted to abandon this material world, they could have accepted monkhood with me. But they didn't do that. Shave my hair off.
Gurudev, tell me whether my luck is really rotten. Why is my Lord doing this to me?
Grandpa? Oh my, what is Grandpa doing? Why are you all standing like this? Aunt, Grandpa, do something. Hey, Siddharth. Everything is getting ruined. Grandpa. Grandpa who? There's no grandpa here, can't you see? He's Swami Siddheshwaranand. Look at him.
Hey! How long will you sharpen your blades? Tell me, let's shave it off.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Hail the
I am
Lord.
telling you, the blade won't work today. Don't you move your blades.
There he is. There he is. Our tiger has woken up. Sit.
Brother, sit. Brother, sit. Brother, sit. Brother, sit. Brother, sit.
What are you doing? Is this playground or what?
Hail the Lord. Hail the Lord. I've never seen such a drama before.
Hey, can't you hear that? What have I been saying? I'm not asking you to use your blades. Work your blades.
It won't be a pretty scene if the blades start working, Grandpa.
Awesome.
Hail the Lord. Shall we clap too? Hail the Lord.
This doesn't work like this, Siddheshwar. Even if you want to abandon the material world, the world isn't abandoning you. You see, your grandson, granddaughter, grandson-in-law, granddaughter-in-law, everyone is here to take you back to that world. Siddheshwar, do you think your grandson will let you abandon the material world? Look at his condition.
Gurudev, you ask this idiot, the one who doesn't want to have a family of his own, how can he stop others from abandoning it? I will never return to the material world. Hey, come, work your blades.
Oh, no, Siddharth. Grandpa again has called you a silly fool. I mean, he called you stupid. I had to see this day too.
Everyone knows who's behaving how. Swami Siddheshwaranand, your game is over. I'll end this abandoning the world drama permanently. Just wait and watch.
Shum, Sid doesn't seem normal to me. He will definitely commit some blunder. Please handle him. Please see into it.
Grandpa, I had something to talk to you about.
Come on, shave it off.
You please come here. Come on, leave from here. Come on.
Hey, Pramanik,
I
where
said
are you
leave,
taking
leave.
him?
Come on, leave
Hey.
right away.
Shave my head. Hey, Pramanik.
Wait.
Hey,
Come on, keep
Pramanik.
walking.
Hey,
Keep
Pramanik,
walking, I
where
said.
are
Come
you
on.
going?
Come on.
Gurudev, take this stupid man away. Any drama is forbidden in this hermitage.
Yes, that's a known fact. Hail, Lord. Hail, Lord.
No, Sid. Sid, no. Please don't commit this mistake.
Siddharth, don't force yourself to do anything. There are already a lot of issues. Mithai, will you marry me?
What?
What? Did you say eh? Don't you have any sense? Grandpa's saying that he'll become a hermit. He's calling me silly in front of everyone. And you're saying eh?
Then what should I say?
You won't say yes, Mithai. Sid doesn't accept the marriage in reality. And I know that the best. He's making this mistake just because of his grandpa.
Torsha,
The witch came at the right time. She couldn't have picked up any other time. Hey, Mithai. Say yes. Why are you standing there quietly?
Mithai, I will wait. I have just asked a simple question. Answer me in one word. Will you marry me? Yes or no?
Say yes, Mithai. Say yes.
Yes, Mithai.
Come on, Mithai.
Yes,
say
yes,
yes.
yes, come on.
Say
Yes,
Say
yes.
Wait a moment, wait a moment, wait a moment. Gurdev, what is the meaning of all this drama? The idiot doesn't even believe in marriage. Who couldn't even believe in it when he tried. Leave aside the concept of marriage. He's suddenly on his knees in front of me proposing to someone to marry him. What's the reason behind all of this? If that idiot thinks that doing this will melt Siddheshwara Anand and he'll return to his everyday life, then he needs to be corrected. I have given up on life and worldly positions because of this reason only. Pramanik, let's go.
Hey, didn't I tell you? The blade should not touch his hair. Sir, please tell Swami Siddheshwaranand that he might be dramatic, but I'm not. Yeah, I didn't believe in the concept of marriage. I don't accept this institution. I've fought a lot with myself. But can I tell you something honestly? Whatever I'm doing today is not because of Grandpa. Yes, I might be proposing on a whim, but whatever I'm saying, I take the responsibility. Mithai, will you marry me?
Mithai, the lad is on his knees for so long. Tell him yes.
Yeah!
Come on!
Come on!
Come on, come on!
Siddheshwar,
Yes?
should Pramanik run the blades on your head now? Or will you return to your old life?
Gurdev, you kindly tell the old man that the pain he has in store for him, he can't even imagine when he returns home. My lord has fulfilled my wishes. Gurdev, on this pious occasion of festival, I want Mithai and my grandson to be married as per the norms of this hermitage.
You're absolutely right, Mom. I will inform everyone. And we'll organize everything here. Sir, is it possible?
Is there any option, child? If Siddheshwar suddenly says, I won't allow the marriage, I'll become a hermit, then that's another problem. What do you all say?
Lord.
You guys don't worry at all. We will organize everything for the wedding year.
Yes, yes. That's for the better. Family men return to their families, and we also get back to worship our Lord. Siddheshwar, you showed them after all. You know what Lord Krishna was? Preparing you and your grandson.
See how everyone is scolding me. I've honestly gotten bored with my life. My grandson doesn't believe in marriage. Granddaughter-in-law had to leave my house. Is this how one lives their life?
Grandfather.
You know what? I will return to my fulfilling life with my grandson, daughter-in-law, and everyone else. That's what my Lord has blessed me with. Hey, Mr. Bitter God is bad boy, isn't he?
Won't he be angry? You messed up big time by leaving home. Never do this ever again. Never. Listen to me. Brother Rajiv, please send grandfather's grandson here.
Rajiv,
Yes?
none of us would go to Grandpa so easily. And who's even Grandpa's grandson? I am Swami Siddhanand. Tell him, Radhe Krishna.
Rajiv, see how beautiful our sister-in-law looks. Hey, Mithai, please smile. Let's all take a picture.
Oh my. My wife will look so amazing next to Swami Siddhanand. But what's this? Why is there no smile on the bride's face? Huh? We are all eagerly waiting here to carry you across in a palanquin. Mithai, what's up with you?
You guys did so much, Brother Rajiv.
Mithai must be thinking that Brother Sid will see all these arrangements and go wow, right?
Oh, come on. He went down on his knees in front of everyone to enter this mill called marriage. Will we listen if he goes bonkers now? Hey, Mithai, come on, get into the palanquin. Let us drop you off at the dais and then we need to get the groom here. Nandu Gosai.
Hey, Mithai, come here. What's up with you, tell me? Mithai, I noticed that when Siddharth proposed to you, you just smiled and didn't say a word. Not a single word. Okay, so you don't want to go ahead with this wedding? Mithai, we all know how much you love Siddharth. Sister Shri, your brother is not accepting this marriage out of love. Hey, Mithai, you're still stuck on that. Give him some time, Sid will surely realize that he's in love. Exactly how after some days Rudra... Enough. Quiet. We are only discussing Siddharth right now. There's no need to drag Rudra into all of this, Nipa. Mithai, Siddharth might not love you like that yet, but he surely will. You see, he really will love you. And no matter what, he isn't marrying you this time only for Grandpa.
So then that's final? What's the matter? Why are you still standing here? Hey, this is the problem with the ladies. Just talking, endlessly talking. Listen, whatever you want to talk about, that can wait till the ceremony. Come on now, let's leave.
Brother Rajiv, what will Siddharth's father think? Is this right?
Man, this problem seems like it doesn't want to end. Tell me, after Siddharth accepted the marriage publicly, how can anyone have any objections? Enough with all these worries. All the Gosais are waiting. You'll be taken to the wedding dais while chanting Krishna's name. And then in an unique style, your unique style, a wedding will take place. What, am I right?
Hey, Lord!
Hey, there you are. There you are, Som. What's the matter, man? Where are you running off to? There's so much pending stuff for the wedding. And listen, I have some work for you. You better go to Siddharth's room and see which clothes he will wear. After all, it's the matter of Mr. Bittergourd, right? Everything's unique. What's the matter? Why are you still waiting? Go, go. And where were you till now?
Torsha was devastated by this whole thing. Siddharth didn't do right to her, Rajiv. He rejected Torsha as he didn't believe in marriage, and now he is accepting it. Torsha is his old friend and she loves him a lot. She's bound to hurt.
What's the matter with you, Som? Recently, you have been quite concerned about Torsha. It's becoming hard to realize whose friend Torsha is.
The things you say, Rajiv. The girl was quite upset, that's why. Which room is Siddharth? That way?
Go straight, then take a left.
I'll go and check.
Come on, hurry up. Get the palanquin ready. Hail the Lord!
Hail the Lord!